Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture background transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click Picture drop down menu and choose this device. Now go to your picture file location and choose a picture. Now go now click this remove background and you can see I remove background. Now you can see I make picture background transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.